Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video that I have done the installation of IBM MQ version 9.3 that have some issue that in this video I am going to do troubleshooting. The problem what wrong was happening in this in the previous installation that I am going to discuss. Again I am going to do the fresh installation of IBM MQ uh, version 9.3. Then let's take about the what was the problem happened in the previous installation. In the previous installation there was a issue happen where after installing the IBM MQ, when I am going to create a queue manager, then the option of the creating a queue manager is not coming. Option of creating a local queue manager is not coming. It was only coming to create a remote queue manager. So that's the issue I have seen, and after the lots of analysis and reading the IBM documentation, I have got the how to install the IBM MQ. The initially in the previous versions of the IBM MQ before the 9.3 version, the installation of the IBM MQ happens in the one step, that is the installation of IBM MQ only, and you have to install the IBM MQ and you will get the IBM MQ where you can work and create the local queue managers. But from the 9.3 onward, the installation having some different step of installation of the IBM MQ. You can install into the two way. You have to follow the two steps to do the installation. First step is the installation of the IBM MQ server, and second step to install the MQ Explorer component. So we are going to perform the two step of the installation. First step is to installation of IBM MQ server. Once the IBM MQ server installation is done, then we are going to do the installation of IBM MQ Explorer. So first I am going to install the server, that, and again after that I am going to install the MQ Explorer component, and after that we are going to launch the MQ Explorer and we are going to create the local queue manager. Now from where we can get the IBM MQ tools, that you can just go and you can write here the IBM MQ documentations in the Google Chrome, and after that if you just click here and it will open. That's okay. Go to the here, go to the installation and migration. Under that go to the installation and installing and uninstalling. Under that you can go to the sorry, installing and okay, go inside that, go inside that, where to find the requirement, where to find the downloadable image installation. This thing you have to go inside, go downward. You will get here for the different system. Just 1 minute. You can see IBM MQ advanced for developer. Just click here. It just click on continue and just click on agree. Once you click on agree, it will download it. Just click on agree. Now it will start downloading. You can see it will start downloading and it will take a time. Just click on I have already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it. Okay, so there will be two product. First, that thing I have downloaded, and second, that you have to download this thing. The two thing you can download similarly from the Google Chrome itself, from the IBM documentation itself. But I have thought for you, instead of you go and search these tools in the here itself, you can download this thing from my Telegram channel. I am going to upload these two link into a Google Drive, and from that I am going to give the link of this drive into my Telegram channel. So you can go to my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel is same as my YouTube channel name, that is Learn and Pass Official. And and also you can follow me over the Instagram, that is Learn and Pass Official. You can get the links of the Instagram and Telegram over the description. So let's start the installation process. So we are going to do installation in two steps. First, I am going to install the IBM MQ server, and second, I am going to install the IBM MQ Explorer component. So this thing, if you go to the, I have just downloaded two files. That is, the first is the this one, that is the IBM MQ server, that I am going to install it. After that, IBM MQ Explorer, that is I am going to install it. Before installing it, I just right clicked here and extract all the file. Before, after extracting, I will get this file again. Similarly, I have extracted this using this, and I will get the this file. Now let's do the installation of IBM MQ server. Just click on here. Here there is two option. Let's go to the MQ server. Here we have the option of MQ launch, which is the highest size of the is a application file, and which is the highest size from all the file. Just click on MQ launch, right click and run as administrator. Because I am using the local system, so administrator is fine for me. Software requirement is okay. The network configuration, do click on no. Do you need to configure a domain user ID? No, I don't want to configure. Click on the installation language, already chosen English. Click on launch IBM MQ installer. Now my installation step has been started. Now IBM MQ installation 3.3, install as a new instance. Okay, click on next. Now installation has step has been started. Now here you have to accept the terms and conditions, as I am going to use the product of IBM MQ. So let's accept the terms and condition and click on next. Here there is three types of the option basically available: typical, compact, and the custom. Typical is for the beginner, that who use and used to this. You can choose this also. Compact is to install the minimum features. If you want to do some basic things, then you have to do the compact. And the custom is a uniquely identify installation name, and this is for the basically for the advanced user. So I am going to do some advanced work. That's reason I am using the custom things. You can choose the typical one also. This is also fine, there is no issue. Just choose the compact one. Here you have to choose the installation name. So let's, I am writing the installation name as a only installation. And installation description you can write, or either you can leave it blank. And where you want to install, this is the my path of the installation: C program file IBM IMQ1. You can change from here itself, you want to choose the different directory, but this is fine for me. Let's click on next. Here, if you want to choose anything extra service, then you can choose, otherwise you can leave it blank. But I want to play with some MQ client, so I am going to install these features, because I want to use the MQ client in the upcoming classes. So that's the reason I have selected the IBM MQ client and installed this feature. Okay, click on next. Now here you can see, you can overview the for the program file, this is the location. For the data file, this is the location. For the folder, this is the location. These are all things given here, and just click on install. Now installation step has been started, and it will take a time. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to complete these all process. It will copy the some file. It will going to install some file. So let's wait till the installation. Seems to be it will complete faster. So let's wait. It is copying the new files now. let's wait till completing it to the 100%. Then after that I am going to come back to you. Now it will take around 5 to 10 minutes depend on the your system performance, and after the installation it will come as a like a finish, and just click on finish. I just fast forwarded the video. It will click on next. It will set up the MQ service for you. Now checking the IBM MQ configurations. Now here it will ask you, and you just select no. Okay, just click on next. Now just uncheck this box and just click on finish. Now the first step has been completed, that is the installation of IBM MQ server on the Windows. Now we are going to the second step, the installation of IBM MQ Explorer component, because we want to work on the IBM MQ Explorer, and if you want to work with the IBM MQ Explorer, then you have to install the IBM MQ Explorer component. For that I am going to use this. I am going to use this thing, and I have ex- exported this. Just click on that and click on extract. I have extracted this. Now go inside that. Here there are two files. Go to MQ Explorer, and there is a setup file. Just click on right click, run as administrator. Now we are going to do installation with the MQ Explorer component. So till the previous version, the installation step was the just a one process step, that is the installation. Just do the one step and installation is completed, and you will get the MQ Explorer everything. Now from the latest version, there is a problem, and we have to do the installation in the two steps. That is, the first step is the installation of MQ server, and second step is the installation of IBM MQ Explorer component. We have done the MQ server installation. Now we are proceeding with the MQ Explorer component. So let's start the installation. I just right click on the setup file, which is the application file, and it is going through the it is starting the process preparing for the installation. It will goes to 100%. After that installation will be going to start. So let's wait for the 100%. Now it is going to complete 100%, 98, 99, and it's 100%. Now my installation step will start. Here I have to choose the English as a language because we are working with the English, and just click on OK. Now installation step has been started. Choose the folder you have to choose. Just click on next. Agree the terms and conditions. Click on next. Choose the folder that it is a C drive. If you want to choose a different folder, you can choose, but leave it. This is a fine. Click on next. Click on install. Now installation step has been started. Again you can see here the percentage is going on, that the 5%. It will goes to the 100%, and after that installation will be completed. So let's me fast forwarded the video for you, and let's wait for the completion of that 100%. Now 100% has been done. After that, you will come to click on done to complete the installation. Just click on done. My installation step has been completed. So I have completed with the first part, that is the installation of the IBM MQ server, and I have also installed the IBM MQ Explorer component, and I am going to give you these two application over the Telegram group. You have not joined the group, they just go and join the group. I will get the these two link for this. Now my installation step has been completed. Now it's time to launch the MQ Explorer and see the queue and the queue manager are creating or not. Okay, the click on MQ Explorer, you can see just I have written the MQ in the search box. MQ Explorer is coming. Just click on run as administrator. Now it is launching for first time, so it will take a few seconds more. So let's wait for the opening of the IBM MQ Explorer version 9.3. You can see it is version 9.3. So let's wait. It is the first time, so it will take a time. Already in from second time it will open much faster than this. Now you can see starting the IBM MQ Explorer. Now it has been opened successfully. Now you can see. Now let's check what is the version already. Just click on help about the IBM MQ Explorer. You can see version 9.3.41, that is the current version. Now let's click on the queue manager to create the queue. You can see now what wrong was happened to the earlier thing that I have installed in the previous video. This option was not coming to the, this new option was to create the queue manager, it was not coming. Only this thing was coming. This thing was not coming in the previous installation. So I have done the analysis and got the thing that from the latest, if you want to do the latest installation, then you have to do the two steps. The first step is the installation of MQ server, and the second step is the installation of MQ component. I have done the both installation, and you can see now option to create the queue manager is coming fine. Now you can just click on new and you can create the queue manager. If I want to create a queue manager, just write the queue manager name, that is a QM1. I think this is already I have configured it. So let's do the QM2, and just you can if you want to write the letter queue name, you can write, else you can click on next, 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 and click on, you can choose the port number. I think 1414 already taken. Let's do select the 1415. Click on next. Click on finish. Now my queue manager will be created successfully. Now you can see queue manager has been created. Similarly, you want to create the queues, just right click here, new, and just create a local queue. You can write it let the queue m2 dot local. Local. Just click on next. Click on finish. Now you can see queue has been created. Now in this installation, everything is fine. So in previous installation, there was some issue that I have got troubleshoot this in this video, and I have done the more analysis to get this thing, because it till the previous version this thing was not there. Only one installation was required, but from this new version, I have to do the two step, that is server and the component. Now we have the latest version of the IBM MQ 9.3, and we have the latest version of the IBM Apt Connect Enterprises, that is version 12. Now we are going to work with the MQ and its latest version of the both. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed the video. Again, regarding these two software, you will get over the Telegram the link of the Google Drive, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can subscribe And if you have not followed my Telegram link, Instagram, then you can follow me. You will get the links in the description box. And hope you have enjoyed the video. Again, if you have any doubt, you can comment me. You can come back to me. Thank you all.